Hello, subscribe Kids Duniya.
This is apple.
Apple.
This is banana.
Banana.
This is orange.
Orange.
This is mango.
Mango.
This is grapes.
Grapes.
This is pineapple.
Pineapple.
This is pomegranate.
Pomegranate.
This is avocado.
Avocado.
This is coconut.
Coconut.
This is papaya.
Papaya.
This is watermelon.
Watermelon.
This is strawberry.
Strawberry.
This is cherry.
Cherry.
This is apricot.
Apricot.
This is kiwi.
Kiwi.
This is lime.
Lime.
This is pear.
Pear.
This is tamarind.
Tamarind.
Please subscribe to Kids Duniya.
Subscribe Kids Duniya.